If you make potstickers this way, it will be super popular and everyone will ask you for your recipe. I'd like to share with you a crispy, fun and easy potsticker recipe that all your friends and family will enjoy. Let's get started! I have fully deveined, or took out the intestine that runs along the top of the shrimp, but you may still see a black line at the bottom of the shrimp. It's the circulatory and nervous systems and does not contain any digestive discharge, so it's rarely taken out by anyone. Make small cuts along the bottom of the shrimp, but do not cut all the way through to straighten its natural curve. Do the same with the rest of the shrimp and set aside. Here I also prepare 1 pound of minced shrimp. You can mince the shrimp in a food processor or with a knife. Also add the salt, white pepper, shiitake mushrooms, bamboo shoots, ginger, and sesame oil. You can also replace them with other ingredients that you enjoy. Mix well. So if you're using frozen gyoza or dumpling wrappers, defrost them ahead of time. And feel free to click here for my homemade dumpling wrappers recipe. Prepare a small bowl of water. Brush water around the edge. Place about ½ teaspoon of the filling in the center. Also add a piece of shrimp. Fold it in half and pinch the edges together. To make the dipping sauce, mix together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. And feel free to click here for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy. Transfer the potstickers to the pan. Pan fry until golden brown. 2 minutes. Flip, pan fry until golden brown. Another 2 minutes. Absolutely amazing. It is so crispy on the outside, and once you get to the inside, it's very bouncy. The shrimp, you kind of get 2 different textures from the shrimp paste and also from the whole shrimp. It is so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, follow and like. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.